I think it's pretty exciting. I mean, I saw a lot more new stalls here, new technologies coming up, new flavors, new ingredients. So really fantastic, and the way it's being kind of organized.
Well, if I see the stall is of high standards, as meeting as good as, of course, I believe it's a UBM partner that is working, so maintain the CPHS standards. Of late, I see a lot of awareness in the food products and also the health issues concern, and I see a lot of modified release happening.